All right, well, the Magister has been announced, but the prices has not been yet been announced, and I'm joined by the India MD, Mr. Anurag Malhotra. Thank you, Mr. Malhotra, for speaking to us at Business Today. First of all, the Magister is right behind us, clearly on a cliff. So, tell us about the timing of the launch and what does it mean in terms of volumes for MG, sir?
Great. Thank you so much for coming. I'm really excited to unveil the Magister. When we did a lot of work with the consumers of this segment, as you know, D SUV segment has remained sort of a one-horse race for a very long period of time. When we spent time with these consumers, they said there were three things which kind of defined their unmet need. One, they wanted D-sized cars, which is 4.8 or 5 meter. Second, they wanted sophisticated interiors because they are paying big dollars for it. And third thing they wanted was a true capability of a 4x4, because these consumers oftentimes go out for experiences with their friends or friends and family, and these three things, which is D-size car, I need an SUV, third I need sophistication in terms of interiors, and I need a true blue 4x4 capability. And when we then went back, did a little bit of work, and we found the right product that we have now unveiled in front of you. Looking forward to seeing how consumers respond to it.
All right. First of all, this is a market which is actually really booming. India recently saw a big uptick in terms of SUVs. Now the market is clogged. But India's first D plus SUV has arrived, giving you have 2-3 big competition out here. How are you looking at meeting the biggest competitor in this segment? I'm not naming the particular brand, but how are you looking at it, sir?
I think, like I said, three things that we offer, which is going to be difficult for anyone else to kind of meet at this point. One is the size. It is the longest, tallest and the widest SUV in the segment. So if you're looking for size, which is what the consumers are, in terms of road presence, there is no other SUV in the market which can have the road presence that this does. Second, the sophistication inside the car in terms of the fit and finish, the leather, the fit and finish is absolutely premium. And third thing is the 4x4 capability. No matter where you get stuck, with a single touch of a button, you can actually get out of that spot, whether it is sand dunes or whether it is snowy mountains. And from a capability point of view, there's going to be little that could potentially match.
If I talk about the numbers, sir, what volumes are you targeting when it comes to the particular segment? Because we have 50 plus products already operating in the mid-size SUV segment. How are the numbers looking like in the D plus SUV segment, where it's a higher price point, but you get an SUV? So what are the numbers that we're looking at?
Correct. The segment today is roughly about 35 to 40,000 units a year. And honestly, for us, we are extremely excited to bring this product. When we announced the pricing in April and deliveries start from May, we would be looking forward to seeing the kind of response consumers give. Pre-reserves have started today, so consumers can walk into our stores or on our website, pay 41,000 rupees and pre-reserve this car. We'll also be taking it to many of the cities to display the car and create these drive experiences that you will get a chance to experience, so that they get to understand the true capability of the product.
All right, and those are the last two set of questions. The government announced a series of GST cuts. How has it been for you at JSW MG when it comes to the demand? Of course, January saw impressive sales for you. What is the outlook looking forward for the industry, sir?
Great. I think it was a landmark decision by the government. GST rationalization, if you remember, the first half of the year was not very good for the automotive industry. But as soon as the Prime Minister announced the GST rationalization, the industry has actually grown by double digits or more. In 2026 calendar year, I think all estimates suggest that it should be in the high single digits to early double digits, primarily also because of the first half of 25, which was a bit muted. And we expect from all the product launches that are set up for the year, we should be looking at growing faster than the industry.
So, and we are anticipating about 5 to 6% growth for the industry. So, are you looking for a double-digit growth for this year, calendar year?
Yeah, at least for JSW MG, we should be looking at a double-digit growth.
All right. Of course, government has signed a whole lot of FTAs with various countries, especially in the India-EU FTA. The US has been announced. How good are we looking at when it comes to the India-EU FTA in particular? Do we stand to benefit as JSW MG?
I think the government's done a fantastic job. Till a couple of years ago, India had one of the lowest number of FTAs. And in the last 12, 18, 24 months, there's just been a surge of FTAs that have taken place. We would wait to see the entire notification so that we can understand the nitty-gritties and look at then assess the kind of opportunities it presents. But fantastic work by the government.
And when it comes to the exports and manufacturing in India, where are we standing at? And you, of course, have spoken about the new energy vehicles. A whole lot of you have been very interested in that as well. When do we see that happening? And any number to that, sir?
So exports we've been doing to Nepal and Bhutan currently. We are exploring the African continent.
Okay.
And as soon as we have something concrete to talk about, we will make sure we call you.
All right, well, that was Anurag Malhotra, candid as always, speaking to Business Today on what really are the market dynamics all about. And of course, one thing to be watched out is that India's first D plus SUV has officially arrived in the market. With camera person Sachin Chandok, this is Chetan Bhutani for Business Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.